Hey everybody, it's Marcia from One Scrap at a Time, and I am back today with another YouTube process video for My Creative Scrapbook. So today I'm using the August Main kit, and this kit featured Pink Paislee's Fifth and Monaco collection. So this paper definitely had a tropical vibe to it. So I thought it would work perfect for Taco Tuesday photo of my son and his girlfriend. So I created this huge title because am just loving huge titles lately. And I wanted to back the title, each letter in the title with a different piece of the pattern paper. And that would help show all the different colors. There's so many vibrant colors in this collection, and it's definitely a gorgeous collection. And one of my favorite pattern papers was the green one with the parrots on it. So there you saw my Xena jumping up on my scrapbook table. She's a stray kitty I took in. And she likes to sit on top of my IKEA bookcase. So there's my finished title, and you can see how bright those papers are, and those colors just pop against the black background. So you can also see my mistake here. I had originally thought I would put my photo next to Taco up there, and so I cut an A from the black so that I could use the back side of this paper. So then I decided I didn't want my photo to go there. It was too close to the T. It was covering up too much of the people in the photo. So then I thought, okay, I'll put the photo underneath the title. So then I had to kind of patch in the A. So I cut another piece of pattern paper out from where I'm going to put the photo now. And then I have to hide some of the lines, some of the marks. So I found this happy die cut, and it works really well to cover up most of it. So while it's embarrassing to make mistakes on YouTube videos, I made it work. So don't give up when you make mistakes on your layouts. I used to have a friend that used to say, when she made mistakes, just put a flower on it. So think about ways where you can work around maybe your mistakes and still make it work. I'm really happy with the way this layout turned out, even though I did make a mistake on it. I love having the photo underneath the title much better. And I reinforce my photo and my title with some chipboard that I have left over. So I like to recycle my chipboard, and then I added some foam adhesive as well to pop it up. I fussy cut out these gorgeous white flowers from some of the pattern paper, and I am tucking them underneath some of my letters. So I'm trying to figure out which flowers I want to go where. And flipping this one around because I like the bigger one by the T. There's more room there. And I didn't want it to cover up the happy. So I can start gluing this down. I grabbed another parrot die cut to stick up here too on the taco, and I'm going to pop him up with some foam adhesive as well. So with that big title, I don't feel like I need a lot of embellishments on here. So I'm going to look for a few phrase stickers, and I put those on here, and some enamel dots, and I called it done. So please check out the other layouts and stuff that I created with this, and check out My Creative Scrapbook for their other kits. their main kit, and they also have a limited edition kit and a creative kit, and I think a mini album kit as well. So please go check all of those out. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye bye now.